All right, so today we're going to be making a salad. It's a Mediterranean-based, Mediterranean-style salad, really influenced from avocados, which are currently in season in Trinidad and Tobago. So we're actually going to be making an avocado-based salad dressing a little later on. So to start, I'm using a locally grown and farmed iceberg lettuce. I prefer this to the standard size lettuce for the added crunch that it gives. So what I want to do, I'm just cutting it in half and then just going down lengthways. So the size they're aiming for is bite size, because you don't want to be have to be chewing for too long. And just take your hand and just break it up and you're adding it into the bowl. If I didn't have access to the iceberg lettuce, I'll probably use romaine. I prefer these red apples. You could use the bigger ones. I'm using the smaller ones today. When compared to like the green or the yellow apples, these are a lot sweeter and also add a lot of crunch to your salad. Same concept to the lettuce. You're cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Right, and to this I'm adding some thinly sliced red onions. The red onions are a lot sweeter and milder when compared to the standard Spanish style onion or yellow onion. But you still get that subtle onion flavor, and also the purple gives the salad a nice contrasting color. Then I have some chopped pecans and chopped walnuts. You could toast these before. You could substitute this with any nut of your choice, really. I think it really just comes down to your preference. So you just drizzle that on top. Yeah, and to finish, some creamy feta cheese. This adds another textural component and also adds a lot of creaminess to the salad. And this will pair very well with the avocado-based dressing. Alright, so we're going to set this salad aside and come back. Alright, so for our salad, we're going to be making our own dressing. In TNT right now, avocado is in season. So of course, we have a ripe avocado here. This is an excellent healthy substitute for like mayonnaise or anything with a cream base. Yeah, so if you want your dressing to be on the smoother side, on the creamier side, but you want a healthier option, this is your best bet. So to start, we're adding in some lemon juice. Lemon juice is a little less acidic when compared to lime juice, so I prefer this. A good substitute would be apple cider vinegar, but I would just use about half. Then we're going in with some honey. I mean, we here in Trinidad, we have some of the best honey in the world, so this is your best option if you're looking for a sweetener when compared to like sugar or anything like that. And some olive oil. Pinch of salt, just to help elevate and bring all the flavors to life. And lastly, our avocado. So I'm just going to spoon this right in. No need to peel or dice or anything like that. Definitely get a ripe avocado. You blend to an even and smooth consistency. Alright, so let me just pour some out to show you So if you want it a little thinner, I would suggest just add a little more olive oil. If you want it a little thicker, a little less. But it's really how you want it. Right, so our dressing is finished. Time to plate up. So I mean, if you want, you could toss this in the bowl together, but you know everybody enjoys their salad differently. So I'm just gonna plate out some. Get some of the cheese and other toppings. Right, and then we're just gonna drizzle our avocado base dressing. Now, as I said, avocado is a healthy alternative to any type of cream base. If you normally use mayonnaise or anything like that, perfect healthy substitutes.